How are you all? I hope you all doing well and good today and having a great day. I wish you to have a very great day. Okay, just by wasting no time, just let's go to our class 6 of Canva Pro. In this class, we are going to learn that how to create a logo. I will teach you in very easy step. Okay, just click on the create a design and then go. You can write here logo. Then you will have a first logo size. Click on that, and it has a now the blank surface has been opened. Okay, now what we will do first, you can see here lots of logos are here. You can also take this logo, but if you don't wanna take this logo, so you can create your own one. So just like that, I am going to create my own. So first, what we will do, we will just take a circle here and increase the size accordingly. Then what are going to we do? If whatever your logo name is, then you will select the text. Okay, it's up to you that which kind of text you want to put it here. I'm also checking the text that which is going to suit. So first. For our first logo, I'm going to take this text and then I am going to change it. And going to change the size of the text again, ungrouping it, and then I am going to these text mean that you can put here your text names and then I am thinking that it should be as underlined, but it's not looking so good, so I will not underline it, but I will underline this one. And I will change the color of this one. I change the color or whole logo and make it some more smaller and put it here and this one here. And you can see that is looking, but I think so. First, we should make the position centralize, and then we make it all the centralized. Okay, now you can see that it has been ready, but some of working are is still remaining. So what we will do, we will go to the an element and we will search floral, uh, circle floral or any type of thing that you want to use. So mm I am going to take this one. It's up to you, whatever you want to take you can take. And I am going to put it here, but not like fully covered. I'm just putting I'm just setting it just some separate from the corners. And now I'm going to change the background to black, and you can see that our logo is looking so good. Wow, ta-da-dum. It's the first type of logo. Then I was going to, I just duplicate the page and going to teach you the another logo. I will change the font type. Then I will add a shape line here, and I will make it black, and I will check the transparency, and then I will stretch it and put the logo in this circle, make it some bigger and bigger. Then I'm going to put the logo here and increasing the text of your tagline, stretching it, and then setting the a piece of line, and then now going to change the color of the flower into blue. Sorry. So now into the shopping thing, then now you can see that the logo has been ready. It's another class of logo. So by this way, you can change the logo. I can also write here the name. Now it's a bigger, so I will change the size. You can adjust the size as per your uh, logo. Now you can see that how the logo is looking. So this is the thing that I'm going to teach you, that by this way you can take some different kinds of circles, squares, and floral backgrounds, etc. And by just merging some elements, you can. So it's a creating logo for beginner class. So I hope you like this class, and just hit the bell icon and give me a like. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.